Forest soil characteristics and its importance. Forest soil characteristics. Forest soils are generally very acidic and organic with limited chemical fertility because organic matter in topsoil is always more level than mineral traces. The role of ecosystem management will be even more important for their sustainability as their soil becomes poor. Forest soil characteristics are not only unique, but their interpretation also differs from cropland soils. Just as there are diverse forest types, there are many soil variants that need different management. Today, forest plantations are being intensively managed for profitable timber, plumpwood, and energy production. Site selection, species selection, site productivity evaluation, silvicultural treatments, and soil amendments needs crucial soil information important. Climate change have a significant impact on nutrient bioavailability, not only directly through changes in total rainfall and distribution, or even temperature, but also insidiously and indirectly through the complex set of interactions feedbacks. The environmental impacts on forest soil include acidification, physical degradation, soil carbon, the maintenance of biological activity, pollution, and the disappearance of forest soil.
Forest soils that are neither too hot nor too cold. The type of soil that forms is determined by the type of vegetation that grows. It is the most common type of soil in the country, accounting for roughly 40% of total land area. The color of soil varies depending on the forest. In some areas, the soil is light gray or dry, whereas in others, it is darker and wet. Forest soils are mostly found in hilly and mountainous areas where there are enough rainforests. In the hilly forested areas, there are four types of soils can be found. Valley sides are loamy and salty. In the upper slopes, there are coarse-grained. In the snow-covered areas, there are highly denuded, acidic, and have a low humus content. They are very fine and fertile in the valley's lower reaches and on river terraces. Noted: soils are formed as a result of mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain, temperature variations, and so on. First, these soils are heterogeneous in nature, with differing characteristics, depending on the mountainous environment and altitude. Second, the soils are high in humus but low in potash, phosphorus, and lime. And last, the soils are particularly suited to the cultivation of tea and coffee, spices, and fruits.
Importance of forest soil. Soils are an integral structural part of woodland, and the larger forest ecosystem. Important forest soil functions include providing water, nutrients, and physical support for the growth of trees and other forest plants, allowing an exchange of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and other gases that affect root growth and soil organisms, providing a substrate for organisms linked with vital ecosystem processes, harboring root diseases and other pests, affecting water quantity and quality. Thus, how you protect and manage forest soils affects your forest short and long-term productivity and the water quality and adjoining streams and lakes, including their suitability for fish habitat and other uses. This publication will provide you with an understanding of soil characteristics important to woodland management practices for maintaining and enhancing soil quality, a guide for obtaining soil-specific information from USDA soil surveys, a list of useful references, a glossary of forest soil terminology,